Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade face oil for glowing skin. This is suitable for all skin types, and best of all, it is very easy to put together. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process on how I make this. To start out with, in my beaker, I'm going to be weighing out some jojoba oil. Now, this is suitable for all skin types. It will absorb very quickly into the skin and it will not clog the pores. Now, for soothing dry and sensitive skin, this is a wonderful ingredient because it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness and any dryness or flaking. So if you have conditions like eczema or psoriasis, this is a good option. Now, with jojoba oil, it also is great for balancing oil production because it is an ingredient that mimics sebum production that our skin naturally produces. This again is not going to clog your pores, so if you have acne, it's going to be very beneficial for that. And then if you have mature skin, it's going to help to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some rice bran oil. This is high in vitamins E and B, and what that will do for all skin types is it's going to gently cleanse and protect the skin without clogging the pores, making it great for acne-prone skin. It is going to add some hydration to the skin and lock in moisture, and it's great because it will help to brighten and even out skin tone. For sensitive skin, it will help to just soothe any irritation that you might have. It's great for anti-aging because it can help to boost collagen production. I'm now going to go ahead and weigh out some plum oil. This ingredient is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E. And what that will do is it will help to moisturize the skin, but also help the skin to retain that moisture. This is great for all skin types. It's very nourishing. It's gentle. It's not going to clog your pores. It's not heavy or greasy feeling. It can help to balance oil production as well as being very calm and soothing for irritated or red skin. Now, for mature skin, it's going to help to increase collagen production while also helping to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. This will give your skin a nice, radiant glow, and it's great because it will also protect the skin from environmental stressors. Vitamin E oil is what I'm adding now. This is a wonderful antioxidant that's going to help to moisturize and strengthen the skin's barrier. It's also great for reducing any redness or inflammation present on the skin. And I like to use this in all my formulas because it will also help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients that you're using. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some essential oils, not only for a pleasant scent, but also for some other benefits as well. Starting with frankincense essential oil. This is going to help to combat acne and blemishes, fade scars, but also help to tighten and tone the skin. I'm also using some lavender essential oil, and that is because it's great for soothing any irritation, but it's also really wonderful for helping with acne because it will help to fight off that bacteria that causes acne. And it's great because it will also be very moisturizing for dry skin. After adding those essential oils, I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the scale, and I'll be stirring this for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that all the ingredients are nicely combined together, and that will help to create a very effective and stable product at the end. Once all of the stirring has been completed, I'm now going to go ahead and pour everything into my dropper bottle here. Now, this particular formula does make approximately 400 grams of face oil, and this particular formula was created to support and give all the different skin types a nice healthy glow. And I feel like it does that. It's going to be great for oily and acne skin because it's going to help to control and really balance sebum production. It's going to be great for dry skin because it's going to help to moisturize and lock in the moisture on the skin. And then for those that have sensitive skin, it's going to be very soothing and calming. And then for those that have normal skin, it's just going to help to really give your skin a nice healthy look and appearance to it. And then for mature skin, it's going to help to tighten and tone as well as helping to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. How I like to use this face oil is I like to, after I've washed and dried my face, I like to just add about 3 drops to the palm of my hand, like I'm showing you here. And then once I have done that, I'm just going to take my hands, rub them together, and then apply it to my face. Now here I'm showing you me rubbing it into my hands. It's just for the purpose of this video, but this is something that you can use daily. So let me go ahead and go over with you substitutions for this face oil. For the jojoba oil, I would say use squalane or almond oil. And then for the rice bran oil, one that I have used and I have liked is argan oil. Now, for the plum oil, something that can be used and is equivalent to it is going to be peach kernel oil. Other options for essential oils are going to be myrrh and geranium. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.